Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, today I am going to see what's going on in your person's mind and heart, actually what is happening. See, the trust card is coming, morality card is coming, past lives change, stress and postponement. Actually, a person wants to trust this relationship. They are going with the faith. They are trusting themselves. They are trusting the universe, and definitely they are moving ahead in the life. But lot of past life factors are affecting your person's movement right now, because past life, you have past life karma, your past life baggage, that things affects your current life situation, and because of that your person is facing lot of karmic situations at present, or you must be facing karmic situations say at present. So I'm suggesting you all to work on your sacral chakra a lot, because your past life, all your past life issues are stored in your sacral chakra. So maybe many of you all could be facing a pain in your sacral chakra a lot, because when you work on your chakra and do chakra meditation, then lot of your past life karma starts releasing, and that's happening with your person right now. Definitely a change you can expect in your person's energy, and a lot of majority of change in your person's behavior, because this full moon and this eclipse is bringing a majority of change in your person's energy. They are definitely realizing their mistake, and this thing is stressing them a lot. They are going to be stressed a lot in this coming 10 to 15 days, because this eclipse and another solar eclipse, this 15 days period, your person is going to feel a majority of change, and they are going to be stressed, and because of this they are postponing this relationship. They are not moving ahead because they are stressed right now. So they are not in a position to take a decision right now, you can say that, because lot of changes are happening in their life, lot of past life issues are coming in their life, all a karmic clearance is going on. You can say that all the karmic peoples who are affecting your person, or they were triggering your person, that triggers are going to increase in this next 15 days. So their person is going to be stressed because of that, because he or she, whoever they are, the person is, they are going to release all these karmic patterns from their life. So they are postponing this relationship with they may be isolating themselves, you can say that. And a new vision is definitely coming to your person. They are realizing the importance of this relationship. Their style of thinking has changed, because all those clouds that were hovering your person's mind, now the clouds are cleared. So new vision, new perspective your person is going to get this time between this 15 days. This is a major 15 days, you can say a major change in your person's behavior, because this person is definitely going to listen to their inner voice. The inner voice is guiding them very strongly, and inner voice is a voice of universe, voice of God. So let them realize it, and it's a very good news if your person is going through these changes, because these changes are only going to bring you back to the union. Okay friends, hope you like the reading. Then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.